how's it going? Today I'll show you the best Applink codes that you didn't know about. You can use those codes on your Firestick to get apps that are not available in your official Amazon App Store by default. And there are all kinds of apps, such as movie applications, TV shows, live TV, sports apps, and so on. And the whole setup process is actually really easy too. So now, without any further ado, let me show you how to get set up and use Applink on your device, as well as the best codes to use there. And first of all, you'll have to get the app code downloader to your Firestick. You can actually get downloader totally for free from your official Amazon App Store. To do so, just go to search on your device. And here in the search bar, you'll have to start typing downloader in the search bar. And as you can see, downloader has already popped out for us at the bottom. So there was even no need to enter the whole name of the app. You click on downloader, and that's the app that you gotta get to your Amazon Firestick device. But after you got downloader, it is not over yet, because you still have to set it up. So now to actually set up downloader, you need to go to settings by clicking on that button with a gear icon. Then you gotta scroll down until you see My Fire TV. Let's open it. And from here, you'll have to turn on the developer options on your device. But on some Fire Sticks, and especially on the new Fire TV Stick devices, the developer options might be hidden by default. So if that's the case, and you cannot find developer options anywhere, no need to worry, because it is really easy to make them appear. You just have to go to About, select Fire TV Stick, and now you gotta start clicking on the middle button on your remote, and do it fast. So let's do it. And as you can see, now for me at the bottom it says no need, you are already a developer. That's in my case. And in your case, it's going to say that you have become a developer now. So if you go back a bit, you will finally see developer options, which now have popped out for us right here. Open them, make sure to turn on ADB debugging, then go to install on apps. And now in here, what you have to do is just locate downloader and turn that option on. So what it does, it's going to allow you to install other applications from the internet and not necessarily only those apps which are only available in the official Amazon App Store by default. And that's exactly what we are going to do right now. So now finally, let's go to the list of apps on your Firestick device, which is right here. We open it, and there's the downloader, which is set up and ready to use on your Firestick. But before actually using downloader, there's one more thing which I always recommend doing, and it is of course connecting to a VPN. In my case, I mostly use NordVPN because they are super fast. They got a great app for Fire Sticks, Android TVs, phones, laptops, or pretty much any other device you may use, and they are not expensive for such a premium service. In fact, they cost less than a cup of coffee per month, which is great pricing for us, the users. In a VPN app, you just connect to any server. Let's say I will connect to United States right now, and from the moment you connect, all your traffic is going to be totally encrypted. It means that no one can track you or snoop on you online. And that's really important if you want to stay out of trouble. And if you don't have a VPN yet, but you want to try it out, I do have a great offer for you. If you use my link, which will be in a pinned comment below the video or in the description of the video, you'll get 3 months of NordVPN totally for free, which is an amazing offer. And if you're watching this video on your TV or on your Firestick, then just grab your phone or your computer, open up a web browser, and go to topvpnoffer.com. That's my website, which is going to give you the same amazing deal for NordVPN, with 3 months for free. Or just scan the QR code, which you can see on the screen right now with a camera of your phone. It works the same way, and it's also going to give you the same deal for Nord. And now finally, let's use downloader safely. So we gotta go straight to downloader app on your Firestick device. You can find it in the list of your apps and then open it up. So open it, and now here in the search bar we have to enter the link, which is gonna be applink.store. So let's enter that link together. Once again, it is Applink. .store. So here you go, there's the link. You can see it on your screen right now. Just make sure to enter it as you see and then click on Go. And when this website opens, all you have to do is just click on Download Applink and wait for the Applink to get downloaded to your Firestick device. Then just click on Install and wait for the app to finally get installed to your Firestick device. Usually it takes no more than a couple of seconds. And after the app is installed, do not click on Open yet. Instead, you should press on Done, because this way you'll get an option to get rid of those unnecessary installation files. So just click on Delete and then delete once again. This way, you delete unnecessary installation files from your Firestick, and this way save yourself some free space on your device. And that's really important because by default your Firestick doesn't really have too much free space available anyway. And now if you go to the list of apps on your device, which is right here, you open it and there's the app we just downloaded. Just of course don't forget to keep the VPN connected before opening the app, and then we are ready to use the Applink on your Firestick. And now what you actually gotta do in here, in the app, is just click on Add a Store and then start entering the code in the search bar. So the first code is gonna be 812051690. So once again it is 812051689, 90. So just take a look at the screen and make sure to enter the code that you see. After that, you have to click on Next and then on Add. And now the code will be saved to your list. And in order to access that code, you gotta go to Save Stores, select the code we just entered from the list, and click on Open. And from here, you get access to loads of applications. I just had to blur out my screen because YouTube doesn't allow me to show you the exact apps available in this alternative app store, but in your case, of course, it's not gonna be blurry. And from here you get such apps as movie applications, apps with TV shows, live TV, web browsers, storage management applications, and so on. So quite a lot of useful stuff, and that's only the first code we got for you today. And now let's go back and I'll show you a couple more codes for your Applink application. So we just go back, click on Add a Store again, and now we'll be entering a new code, which is going to be 88099. So once again, the second code is 88099. Click on Next, click on Add, and just like previously, we gotta go to Saved Stores, and now from the list, select the newly added code, and then press on Open. Here I had to blur out my screen for the same reason as before, but again you get quite a lot of movie applications, probably even more than in the previous code, as well as a lot of live TV and live sports application. So if you are into movies and live TV, then this alternative app store is the right one for you. So that was the second code, but it is not the last yet, so let's go back and I'll show you even more codes for your Firestick. So we go back, click on Add a Store again. Now the next code is going to be 8970, so it's 8970, we click on Next, and save the code for your list, then go to Save Stores and select the code. Click on Open again. And again, you get access to a lot of useful applications, such as IPTV players, media players, movie apps, remote access applications, live TV apps, alternative app stores, and so on. And now let's go back and I'll show you the last code for today. So we, of course, again, click on Add a Store. And now the last code today is going to be 980606. So again, 980606. Save the code to your list and then go to Saved Stores and open the code. And that's probably the largest alternative app store we reviewed today. So there's of course a lot of useful applications that you can set up on your Firestick or Android TV. It should work on any device, and the majority of those apps are updated and should work fine for you. So today you learned how to get Applink on your Firestick, as well as the best codes to use there. Enjoy and see you next time. Bye bye.